everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your font size in BingX. To change your font size in the BingX application is super easy. First of all, launch open BingX on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're signed into BingX app, go to the top left corner and tap on the BingX profile icon. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, scroll down and tap on Preferences. Under Preferences, tap on Font Size. Now you'll be able to see a regular and large font size displayed on the screen. Go ahead and select Large and you'll notice that your font size has increased immediately. You can always change back to the regular size by going to the same preference menu and selecting font size, and you can always switch between the regular or large whenever you want. So that is how you can change your font size in BingX. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.